Our Computex 2018 coverage was made possible by Aerocool, Synology and AlphaCool.
Still here at Computex 2018, we're checking out the Deepcool booth. Now there's a couple of things that I want to go through, starting with this cooler. So you may have seen from some other brands at the moment, everyone's trying to sort of, get this collaboration going with Asus and the Tough Alliance, as they put it. So as you can see here, we've got the Gamax GT, and what they've actually done with this is just kind of styled it up to go with the whole kind of tough theme with the almost kind of semi-camouflage, I guess. So you can see along the top here, it has got the Tough Alliance branding and everything on there, just to kind of, fulfill that whole ecosystem that's going on. So we have this, we also have some really exciting new cases. So as we go around, you can see that we have the Matrix 75. So this is just a crazy chassis. I mean, it's $90 and you get so much for your money. It's worth noting that you don't get the fans that are included, but it just kind of gives you an idea as to how they can look. It has got a swappable front panel, which when you actually press this, you can take this out, tempered glass of course, and you can put this panel on if you want something with a bit more airflow. And that just simply clips in there. The glass itself does come out as well, so we have these kind of hinge mounts up here to lock everything in place that can be taken out. There is a GPU bracket as well, just to kind of give that extra support. Rubber grommets, reusable PCI Express expansion slots. Just a really nice chassis, and for $90 it's absolutely crazy good value for money. Tempered glass, the I/O panel on the top has LEDs that light up around the USB ports, and you can remove these top bits as well, just so you can get some improved airflow, or you can change it back and put these on if you just want a bit more silence in your chassis. As we kind of move further down the line, there is a slightly less model over here. So this is the Matrix 75. It's worth noting as well that this takes eTeknix, as well as obviously smaller motherboards. Then we have the Matrix 70. So as I say, just a slightly smaller chassis. This has eATX support in there as well. Again, it doesn't come with the fans included, but at the price at $60, you're not really going to find a better chassis on the market. So absolutely great sort of support here. As we move further down the line, I want to say that this is kind of probably my favorite. It's actually the cheapest one. So when we look at this chassis, it's the Matrix 55. So this does only have ATX support, but I'm going to tell you the price in a minute. You do have standard features for accepting 2 3.5-inch drives in there. It has got snappable PCI expansion slots, which I'm not a massive fan of, but at the price point, you're really going to be surprised. This is going to be retailing for about $40. So these are all available in September. So it's just a matter of obviously getting the stock over to the right channels and getting it available in the distribution. You have got obviously a removable magnetic dust filter on the top, full support for AIOs, radiators, and obviously lots of space for fans and airflow inside the chassis as well. We also have this ventilated bit down the side for improved airflow. So I've got to admit, at the moment, just looking around the Deepcool booth, they're really doing a good job on this stuff. I'm really, really looking forward to getting these chassis in. Tempered glass, I mean, $40 for a case of this caliber, it's just crazy. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to keep checking back for all of our Computex coverage from Taipei, Computex 2018, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.